going to see about CSMA-CD. CSMA-CD stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Detection. The name itself, we understood that each station is nothing but all the connected device present in the network. Each station senses the carrier. Carrier here is the common channel shared by all devices in the network. For any traffic, if it finds any traffic, it does in sense and wait for some time until if no traffic is seen on the channel. If a station sends data without sensing the channel, there may chances of collision, which can be avoided using this CSMA CD method. This mechanism is introduced to solve collision problems, which is found in older networks. The older means it is found in off-duplex way of communication, where only one node is allowed to send data at one time, but the communication is bidirectional. Whereas in full duplex, both devices can send data at the same time. It is also happens in the case of using coaxial cable or lower version of twisted pair cables, or the usage of hubs, repeaters and bridges may also cause collision. In full duplex mode, there is no need of CSMA CD mechanism. Let us see this in detail. For example, consider this as A, B, C, D. If A station wants to send data, it first senses the channel for any traffic. If it doesn't sense any data traffic, it starts sending the data to its destination. Similarly, if host D also wants to send data, before that it sends the channel for any traffic. If it doesn't it finds any traffic, it then starts sending data to the destination. If suppose the session A wants to send data, it senses the channel and it doesn't find any traffic. Similarly, at the same time, the session D also wants to send data. It senses the channel. It also doesn't find any traffic. So both start sending. If both the packets collides, then there may be collision. You can see this. There may be collision. When after this collision happens, the devices which is responsible for collision sends the jamming signal to the devices present in the network, stating that there is a collision that happened, so that each devices must wait for some random amount of time to avoid that collision. After that random amount of time, the device sends data. It is in the case of wired mechanism. In wireless mechanism, you can see that there is no way to sense the channel because there is no wired connection between them. Here what it does is, if this host sends data, it monitors, it passively listens to the traffic. If doesn't find any traffic, it starts sending. There are also other method like CTS, RTS. CTS is clear to send, RTS is ready to send. For example, this host wants to send data. It first sends RTS ready to send the packet to the access point. This is access point. Then access point stops all the communication. Then it sends RTS. RTS stands for ready to send. So that after seeing the RTS, this host sends data to the access point. This is how collision is avoided in wireless communication. Let's see it in demo. Let's open our Cisco Packet Tracker to demonstrate that. Yeah. First, we need before that, this collision is happen only in devices like bridges and repeaters, whereas in switches it can be avoided because of the separate collision domain in switches. Let's see the examples by using both the switches and hubs. First I need hub and some end user devices. Then I use switches of this to demonstrate the same example here. Let's assign I to it. You can see that the fire symbol, so the collision is detected. Um, the collision happens here, wherein in switch there is no collision is detected and the packet is sent to the destination. You can see that both packet is successful, whereas in up it is not successful because of the collision, and the collision is detected using CSMA/CD. CSMA/CD is not used in switch because switch is runs in full duplex, there is no collision is happened. CSMA/CA is another technique which is used to avoid a collision. Okay, that's for this video. Thank you.